I'm Andrew. I live in northern Tasmania, Launceston. I work for Launceston Autohouse, B&W.
My name's Adam Robson. I'm from Port Macquarie in New South Wales. I'm currently studying my Certificate 3 in Civil Construction, Marine Carpentry, which is bridges, wharves and jetties.
Basically, I'm a senior technician there. I sort of work my way up through the ranks. There's a fairly small team of us. Started off as an apprentice 4.5 years ago, and slowly sort of climbed the ladder up through there. Basically, you can put me down as a third generation automotive mechanic. My father is one. He's qualified in 3 different certificates at a very high level. My brother is also a mechanic. He's now actually my service manager at B&W, so that's quite something special.
Well, I completed my HSC in 2004, and I wasn't really keen on going to university. I then worked for my stepfather, who runs his own small business, for 12 months. Then a position came up in the paper. I really wanted to get into construction, so I put my name down and went through the interview process, and it was successful, lucky enough to get the job.
I actually went through NGT, which is Northern Group Training, so I was actually lent out to B&W for the 4 years on my contract. So they basically, I came on board with them, signed a contract. They put me through a few sort of tests just to see where I was, and then they just went through and they kept in touch with me every so many weeks. Gave me whatever gear I needed, and support through TAFE training. I was actually quite lucky. I managed to do my TAFE training very quickly. So then I moved on to automotive electronics as well. So I can, I'm actually qualified in 2 areas by the time I've ended my apprenticeship. I've also started into diesel, which is heavy vehicle as well. He's
always on the phone to me, making sure everything's running smoothly. We get update sheets where my supervisors have to fill in how I'm going with my process. That's handed in, I think, monthly. I
couldn't have done that without group training. It was something that, because I finished it, I'm still under their contract. They said, well, we'll help you out and re-enroll you into the next certificate, which was fantastic. So there's not a lot of us that actually get to do that.
Last year we completed a large wharf at a place called Telegraph Point, just up from Port Macquarie. And you go to work and you're on the water and you're doing something different, which I suppose the thing you enjoy most is when you have finished, you step back and it's there, you can have a look at it. And like I drive past it every day to work, and you say, oh, I've built that when you're with someone, or you're going to admire what you've accomplished. Automotive
is actually quite an exciting industry to be in. It's changing so much. You go back 50 years, it was a fairly dark, dirty little place to be in. Grease Monkey, that's where the sort of name came from. Now it's a leading edge industry. I'm working on the latest technology vehicles, obviously from Germany, but it's actually a worldwide sort of company. It's just changing so much, mainly for the economical side of things and the environmental impact that the automotive industry has onto the world.
I'd like to be doing construction project management. That's what I'd like to further my career, whether I'm still studying at that time or have reached the end of it. I'd like to get a diploma, whether I go through a cadetship or a university degree. Electronics
is just building in the car. It's phenomenal. I actually spend more time with clean hands than what I do probably getting dirty, I suppose you could say. I will start working my way up to what they call a diagnostic technician, which is sort of the next step up in the ranks, and then the top of the rank is master technician. That's where I aim to be in the next couple of years. From there onwards, you can travel the world. You could go and work in B&W Germany, or basically anywhere that's a B&W dealer. As soon as you've got your certificate, off you go.
Don't do it unless you're passionate about it. If you're not enjoying what you're doing, you're not going to want to get up and go to work. I think that's probably definitely the best thing. It's true, which makes it all that easier to listen to and believe in.
The world's your oyster, really. It's just a fantastic place to be.